Dear students, today we will discuss reported speech or narration. We will discuss only main points of reported speech that are included in your syllabus. What is reported speech? Reported speech is an art of reporting the words of the speaker. It means speaker के शब्दों को कहने की कला. We have two ways of reporting. हमारे पास दो तरीके हैं जिनसे हम अपनी बात को कह सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच, सेकंड इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच? एग्जैक्ट वर्ड ऑफ द स्पीकर is called direct speech. When the words of the speaker are reported without using the actual words, it is called indirect form of narration. Firstly, we look direct speech with example. He said to me, I will go to Delhi. I यहाँ कौन है? He. अपने आप को क्या कह रहा है? I. In this sentence, he is the speaker or reporter. I will go to Delhi is the exact word of the speaker. Actual words of the speaker are always put within inverted commas. Said to is called reporting verb. Now we look indirect speech with example. He told me that he would go to Delhi. अब हमने I को चेंज कर दिया है he में, क्योंकि I कौन था? He. तो इस तरह से हमारा रूल बन जाता है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड पर्सन इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट. And third person remains unchanged. इसी तरह we have some other rules. Rules for changing the statements depend on sentences. We will discuss three types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative. First rule: change in the reporting verb. In assertive sentence, said to is changed into told. In interrogative sentence, said to is changed into asked. In imperative sentence, said to is changed into requested, advised, ordered, etc. Change in the inverted commas. In assertive sentence, inverted commas are changed into that. In interrogative sentence, inverted commas are changed into if. In imperative sentence, inverted commas are changed into to. But we have two types of interrogative sentences. Sentence that is started with helping verb. Sentence that is started with WH family. Like what, when, where, why, how much, how many, etc. When a sentence is started with WH family word, if conjunction is not used in the place of inverted commas, we use question word as it is. Look at the example. He said to me, are you going home? He asked me if I was going home. Next, he said to me, where are you going? He asked me where I was going. Changes in the tense of the verb in the reported speech. You can read on the main screen. Look at the example of assertive sentence. In first sentence, they said to Anuj, you are a brave boy. Said to is changed into told. Inverted commas are changed into that. You changed according to object he, are is changed into was. Clear? They told Anuj that he was a brave boy. Look at the second sentence. He said to me, I want a holiday. Said to is changed into told. Inverted commas are changed into that. I is changed according to subject he. Want is changed into wanted. It means simple present tense change into simple past. He told me that he wanted a holiday. Look at the example of imperative sentence. In imperative sentences, subject is not there. This sentence is started with verb. But verb of reported speech doesn't change in imperative sentence. Look at the first sentence. Mother said to me, work properly. Said to is changed into advised. Inverted commas are changed into to. And verb as it is. Mother advised me to work properly. Look at the second sentence. Mohan said to me, please lend me your umbrella. Said to is changed into requested. Inverted commas are changed into to. Lend form as it is verb form. Me changed into him. Your is changed into my. Clear? Me changed according to Mohan, it means subject, and your changed according to object. Mohan requested me to lend him my umbrella. I hope you are getting well. In next video, we will discuss reported speech in the form of dialogue. Thank you.